Namaste. Welcome to Cervical Spondylosis Yoga Therapy. Cervical spondylosis is wear and tear and narrowing of tissues, vertebrae and discs in the neck. This is a long-term degenerative disorder that progresses with age. Let's begin with neck exercises. Inhale, raise your head. Exhale, bend. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend downward. Do it at least 5 times. Exhale, bend to right. Inhale. Exhale, bend to left. Inhale. Now exhale, bend to left. Inhale. Exhale, bend to right. Inhale, normal position. Do it 5 times. Now inhale, raise your head and simply move to your left and right. Similarly, down your head and move to your left and right. Do it 3 times. Now, stepwise gentle neck rotations from left to right. During upward movement, inhale. During downward movement, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back, normal position. Now, right to left rotations. Step by step. Exhale. Step by step. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Come back, normal position. Do it 3 times. Now gently turn our head to left. And now right. Do it 5 times each side. Now push your head and hand opposite to each other simultaneously. Now right hand and head. Now left hand and head. Do it 3 times each side. Now press your palms over cervical region of your neck and stretch your neck backward. Now tilt your head to right and then tilt to left. Do it 5 times. Again gently press your cervical region of your neck and relax. Now mountain pose and variations. Inhale, raise your hands, join palms, lift your heels up and down. Bend your left hand backward and touch right shoulder. Bend right hand and touch left shoulder. Repeat the same. Touch your front shoulders with crossed hands. Touch your back shoulders with crossed hands. Repeat it. Practice at least 2 minutes. Relax. Now hold the straps fixed on the wall and slowly walk away from the wall till your shoulders and hands are stretched backwards. Stay steady with focus for at least 2 minutes or as your comfort. To come out, slowly walk back, relax. Now sit in Vajrasana, hold the straps, set your gaze and bend forward till your hands are stretched backwards. Stay steady, focus even breathing. Raise your hands upwards and bend forward until you feel the stretch. If any discomfort or pain, come out immediately. Repeat the previous exercise one more time. Set your gaze. Stay steady. Inhale, come out gently. Relax. Now, Gomukhasana, cow face posture. Sit by bending your left knee upraised. Set your gaze. Take some normal breaths. Stretch your left hand up. Bend your elbow backwards. Place your right hand on your mid-back. Turn your palm out and your fingers pointing upwards. Clasp the fingers of your left hand. Stay steady. Focus inward is essential. Use a strap if your fingers do not connect. Gently release and repeat on the other side by alternating your hands and legs. Now, abdominal twist posture. Bend your knees. Exhale, roll to left side and stretch out your legs. Stay steady with even breathing. Bend your knees. Roll and stretch your legs to right side. Bend your knees and roll to the center. Repeat it at least 2 to 3 minutes. Causes of cervical spondylosis is computer desk jobs, no proper exercise, mental stress, overwork, nutritional deficiency, etc. Now, Markatasana, monkey posture. It is an excellent yoga posture to cure back pain, all type of back pains, and brings flexibility in the spine. Inhale, roll to center. Exhale, roll to right side. Practice this Markatasana at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now, Viparita Karani, inverted action posture. Raise your hips and rest them on boosters. Set your gaze. Raise your legs. Stretch your legs upward. Keep a mudra in your fingers and stay focused on your breath. Practice this asana at least 10 to 15 minutes daily. This yoga sequence given provides range of movement to the cervical spine and shoulders and improve awareness, correct disc misalignment, heal wear and tear, strengthen the cervical vertebrae, relax tension in the muscles and nerves and provide permanent relief. Follow the sequence and avoid postures that cause you discomfort and pain. To come out gently, bring your legs down. Rest your hips on the floor. Bend your knees and roll to a right side. Breathe few times and sit in Adho Mukha Vajrasana. Counter posture of this Viparita Karani, inverted action posture. Relax. Now Adho Mukha Vajrasana or downward facing thunderbolt posture. Sit in Vajrasana. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale and stretch forward and rest your head on the cushions. Place your hands in a position that is comfortable for you. Close your eyes. Focus on the center of your forehead and feel calm. Mentally chant a mantra. Some health tips for cervical spondylosis. Drink at least 2 liters of water during the day. Massage your neck, shoulders and hands every day. Manage your stress and control your anger. Practice pranayama every day and whenever stressed. Keep hot or cold pack when you have pain. Use a soft, comfortable pillow while sleeping. Practice neck and hands exercises before sleeping. Now, Bhramari Pranayama, beast breath. Shanmukhi Mudra. Close your ears with thumb, your eyes with index and middle fingers. Place your ring and little fingers near your nostrils and below your lips. Drop your elbow downwards and focus inwards. Inhale. Like this. Exhale with humming beast breath sound. Inhale. Like this, exhale. Exhalations must be slow and longer than inhalations. In Shanmukha Mudra, we can easily control our thoughts and hear the inner sound of Om. Relax few minutes and repeat practice this pranayama at least 10 to 15 minutes. Practice pranayamas regularly along with this yoga therapy sequence. Now, Mudra therapy, energy seals. Vayu Mudra. Hold the tip of your index finger on the base of your thumb finger. Press your thumb over it. Keep your other fingers upright. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath and mentally chant a mantra. Practice this Vayu Mudra or wind seal regularly at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now, Prana Mudra, vital energy seal. Press the tips of your little finger, ring finger and your thumb finger together. Keep your index finger and middle finger upright. Close your eyes. Focus on the center of your forehead and mentally chant your favorite mantra. Practice this Prana Mudra or Vital Energy Seal regularly at least 20 to 30 minutes. Now, Apana Vayu Mudra, Descending Wind Seal. This is a combination of Apana and Vayu Mudra. Place your index finger as in Vayu Mudra and your middle, ring and thumb finger as in Apana Mudra. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath and bhrukuti, that is center of your forehead. Mentally chant a Om or any other your favorite mantra. Practice this Apana Vayu Mudra or Descending Wind Seal regularly at least 30 minutes. Yoga Mudras corrects imbalances in the Panchabhutas or 5 elements, that is fire, air, ether, earth and water. Mudras stimulate electromagnetic energies, activate dormant nerves, correct imbalances and heal many health problems. They awaken cosmic energies, purify mind, body and soul. Now, relaxation. Relaxation is most important after completion of yoga therapy sequence. Practice this cervical spondylosis yoga therapy sequence regularly. This sequence provide permanent relief from cervical spondylosis problem. Thank you.